up? It's your girl Shiny K, and welcome to another special edition of the On My Mind series. As you can see from the sea of white behind me, I am at the 2016 Dream Weekend Party Series. DayDreams to be exact. Trust me, everybody said this event is the one not to miss. Big up accessories, you decked me out in my whole white outfit, and also shout out to Trish, you beat my face, I made me look so pretty. I don't know what's the big deal about this event because I've never been to Dream Weekend before, but I'm about to talk to some patrons to find out what is it about DayDreams that is an event not to miss.
DayDreams is one of the better parties for Dream Weekend because as you can see it's very different. It's a themed party like a lot of them are, but it's a bigger crowd and the genres of music. It's really a good party and food is inclusive, so when food is involved you can't go wrong.
This is my first time to Jamaica and first time to a Dream Weekend, and this is one of the best parties I've been to in a long time, and I'm having so much fun.
Yeah, you don't know a Prince Pine there, you know. Yo, a Fat Skull there, you know. A Round Bun there, you know. And we are saying, what they are DayDreams, and DayDreams shot, you see me, all white. The bad. It's sick. What?
DayDreams has always been that party, you know. The whole all-white experience is great. Like, you see me? What?
DayDreams, well, over all the years, you know the all-white party are the biggest. And part of the baddest, you know we have water bag comes tomorrow. We just love to the people living in the white. I enjoy it most of all. The food is good, the liquor is good, and you know everybody come out to them best all white. Them save them all white for DayDreams.
Dream Weekend Live. Bluko, England, London, boy.
We at the DayDreams All White Party. This party is one of the best parties in Dream Weekend. Believe me, I can tell you. See all the people there running, all around, coming around, dressing all their white. The reason why this party is the best because this party signifies class, significance, everything.
California in the building, representing for Dream Weekend, you know? Dream Weekend is the best party, the best. You gotta come to Jamaica to do this shit, you know what I mean?
Big money popping anyway, chromatic up. Big money popping anyway, chromatic up. Big money popping anyway, chromatic up. Big money popping.
Everybody gets a free way,
No man, Chromatic play good man. Are the best. Overall, all the years them look a young youth, yeah. Them a deal with their way. Party, any party you got a young youth, and them you don't want punish.
everybody in there will have some fun when they listen to you anyway. It no matter where you live, whether you're uptown, you get to your downtown, and you're down with your socks like me, you can't tell them.
Hold on. Wicked. One house, Wicked Man there. Roll a juice man, Wicked Man there. We are saying, roll a Wicked Man there. Wicked Man there. Wicked Man there.
On My Mind series. DayDreams, all white. Appleton Special Dream Weekend. Appleton Special Chromatic there. What? Last night, I give them French fries. But tonight, my shoes are bun me. And I give the girl them hot dog. Hot dog.
Hey, you know, this is your girl ZJ Nova from Zip FM, and right now I'm with On My Mind. Yo, right now we're there at DayDreams. The thing lit. The thing is so lit right now. I enjoy myself. I drink my liquor. Chromatic does shell it right now. Cup of shot, everything that's up. DJ Crazy, so I big up everybody in the party. Yo, if you're doing their DayDreams, if you're doing their Dream Weekend, you're not live no life.
I hope you guys are enjoying the vibe here at DayDreams. Me, I enjoy the vibe crazy, the vibe nice, the vibe turn up. Except for VIP. People, my personal opinion, VIP boring, like the people them just turn up like piece of board. Or rather out there in a general admission, a party with the people them call out there, the vibe turn up. I mean, not to say the people in VIP not enjoy themselves, I'm sure they are, but Just my personal opinion. Anyways, the fashion here at DayDreams is wild. Trust me, I don't know all them people that come up with them outfits here, but I'm about to find out. Let's go.
The way I chose my outfit, it was kind of random. It wasn't specifically inspired by anything. The only thing that was inspired was my umbrella. Basically, I was watching something on Facebook that happened right here in Jamaica. It was like a really prestige all-white picnic. And I saw some ladies with these kind of umbrellas, and I'm like, oh, these sunshade umbrellas are really nice. So basically, I saw the umbrella, and I'm like, I definitely wanted this type of umbrella. And then I saw the bikini, which was random. The body chain is random. The cover-up is random. Everything else is random, all coming from different places.
DayDreams is going good so far. I got my outfit from House of Style and my beautiful hair from Glitzy Hair.
So I chose my outfit because I'm Superwoman, baby. See the cape. Let it flow, honey. Let it flow. And also, I wanted to mix a little bit of Beyonce and Rihanna. So this weekend, I'm all about Rihanna, honey. Rihanna.
You see, everybody, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The vibe in a general admission, turn up, not boring like VIP. Again, just my personal opinion. Me forever boss, say this all about them. I can't ask for me, I do a thing, you know. DayDream 2016 Dream Weekend. Trust me, if you're not there, you're walk, you're boring. But you already know your girl, China K. I got you. On My Mind series. Turn up. I'm going to talk to some more people about them fashion. Yeah, the man just wind me off, so I'm going to tell you for one. You're going to try to get On My Mind series. I got you. Stay tuned.
I'm wearing Tish Mandy. She's originally from Montego Bay. We went to college together. It's just a lot of bling from head to toe. And just rocking a bodysuit and a OMG Miami swimwear. That's their cover-up.
You know, I said DayDreams, don't know, the party of the year. I want to big up my designer, Pablo. Yeah. The realest design I get for a long time. In a real life, you see me? But DayDreams at the party are the real comfortable, unity, everything. You know what I mean? It was nice.
My outfit was made by Anik. She's a Jamaican designer. Her Instagram is @UrbanaDesign. She made the Met swimsuit, and she has a partner by the name of Nessa, her Instagram is @NessaVanessa. She did the embellishments with the stones on my swimsuit, as I can see. So I had it made specially for DayDreams All White.
I chose this outfit because I wanted something cute, but I wanted something sexy. So you know I had to go for a little tutu. Nothing is cuter than a tutu. A little gladiator heels, you know. And then you gotta go sexy with the mesh.
I'm wearing my nice dress here from H&M and my slippers from Bridget Sandals, Jamaica, yeah.
You have a great party and live your life.
The show has come to an end, unfortunately. Well, it's come to an end for you, but DayDreams is still going on for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, because trust me, the vibe at the 2016 Dream Weekend, it mad, it sell off, it shot. Sorry for all who don't fried egg like Big said. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode of the On My Mind series. You don't know, see I use later, so I go home, bed, maybe change my wig, I don't really know yet. Change outfit and beating, and stay tuned for the next event. Want to say big up to accessories once again for my outfit. Girl, you have me looking fantastic. And also big up Trish, I swear Trish, you make me feel like a princess. You make me feel so pretty. Trish, big up yourself. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the On My Mind series. You already know your girl, China K.